Do you often feel stressed and looking for ways to relax? Well, you've come to the right place. Today, we're exploring 5 objects that have been known to promote relaxation and reduce stress. First up is the weighted blanket. Imagine being enveloped in a gentle hug. That's what a weighted blanket does. It applies a gentle pressure across your body, simulating the comforting sensation of being held. This deep pressure stimulation works wonders for promoting relaxation and even improving sleep quality. Next, we have the Essential Oil Diffuser. This device disperses aromatic molecules into the air, creating a peaceful spa-like atmosphere in your own home. Scents like lavender, chamomile, and eucalyptus are particularly good for their calming properties. They help to dial down stress and anxiety, creating a serene environment. Now let's talk about the Fidget Spinner. Yes, you heard right. Often associated with stress relief, these little gadgets also promote relaxation. Their simple, repetitive motion gives your mind something to focus on, helping to redirect your attention away from stressors. It's a small action that can have a big impact on calming your mind. Moving on, we have the Mindfulness Jar. Also known as a calm-down bottle or sensory bottle, this is a clear container filled with water, glitter, and other small objects. When shaken, the glitter swirls around in a mesmerizing dance. Watching this can help calm your mind and promote a sense of mindfulness, a state of active, open attention on the present. Last, but certainly not least, is the warm herbal pillow. This comforting object is filled with soothing herbs like lavender, chamomile, or peppermint. Simply heat it in the microwave and place it on your neck or shoulders. The warmth relaxes tense muscles, while the aromatherapeutic scents help you to unwind. So there we have it. 5 objects: a weighted blanket, an essential oil diffuser, a fidget spinner, a mindfulness jar, and a warm herbal pillow. Each one of these items, in its own unique way, can help create a more relaxing environment and promote a sense of calm and well-being. So why not give them a try? After all, relaxation is just a weighted blanket, essential oil diffuser, fidget spinner, mindfulness jar, or warm herbal pillow away. Thank you for taking this journey with us.